Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of class first year, Assalamu alaikum. Now we will start exercise 2.2 where question number 1 is page 50 of your book. Question number 1, if A is equal to matrix row wise 1 3 1 minus 1 2 0 2 0 minus 2, then find cofactors. Here capital A 1 1, A 2 2, A 2 3, A 3 1, A 3 2 and A 3 3. First of all, we have to find these different cofactors. Then find determinant of A. Let us start from first cofactor A11. Here A11 is equal to minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1 into determinant. A11 is cofactor of this element because its position is on first row first column. So to find its cofactor, we will take its minor, which is equal to, ignoring a row and column with A11, that is this element 1, and write down rest 4 elements in determinant 2 0 0 minus 2. We have minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1 2. Determinant of 2 0 0 minus 2 is 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 0 into 0 0. Minus 1 raised to power 2 gives plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 4 gives minus 4. Similarly, next cofactor is A21. A21 means second row and first column. So its position is on minus 1. Now ignoring a row and a column with minus 1, we have 3 1 0 minus 2 in determinant, which is equal to minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 1 gives 3. Determinant gives 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 0 into 1 0. Minus 1 raised to power 3 gives minus 1. Minus 6 minus 0 minus 6 minus 6 into minus 1 plus 6. Next A23. A23 means second row third column. Second row third column. So it is on position of 0. This 0 number representing A23. So its cofactor is minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 3 into determinant of, ignoring a row and a column with A23, and write down determinant of rest elements 1 3 2 0 1 3 2 0. After solving we have 6. Next cofactor is A31, which is equal to minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 1 into minor of this A31 element. A31 element means third row first column. So here minor is ignoring a row and a column with A31. This column and this row will be ignored, and we have 3 1 2 0. Determinant 3 1 2 0, which is equal to minus 1 raised to power 4 into 3 into 0 0 minus 2 into 1 2, which gives minus 2. Next A32. A32 means third row and second column, so it is on the position of 0. Now ignoring a row with 0 and a column with 0 means third row and second column will be ignored, and rest elements are 1 minus 1 1 0. Write down in determinant 1 minus 1 1 0. We have minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 2 gives 5. 1 into 0 0 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus minus plus, and this minus 1 raised to power 5 gives minus 1. Minus 1 into plus 1 gives minus 1. Now the last cofactor A33 is equal to minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 3 into determinant of here A33 on this position. So ignoring a row and a column with A33 element, we have 1, 3, minus 1, 2 determinant. 1, 3, minus 1, 2 determinant is equal to minus 1 raised to power 6, 1 into 2, 2, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. So it gives 2 minus plus 3, 5. Thus, A11 minus 4, A21 6, A23 6, A31 minus 2, A32 minus 1 and A33 5. Now, to find determinant, we will use cofactors from here and check whether we have 3 cofactors of any one row or any one column. Here, yes, we have of third row, that is third row first column, third row second column, third row third column. So we will use these cofactors with their elements to find determinant. Now determinant of A is equal to, for this, element A31 with cofactor A31 plus element A3 with cofactor A32. Element A32 with cofactor A32 plus element of matrix A33 with cofactor A33, means we have chosen here over third row. So by using this third row we will find determinant. Why we are using this third row? Because we have cofactors of this third row. Now A31 is 2 and its cofactor is minus 2. Product gives minus 4. A32 is 0 and its cofactor is minus 1. Product gives 0. A33 element is minus 2 and its cofactor is 5. Product gives minus 10. Finally, minus 4 plus 0 minus 10 gives minus 14, which is the required determinant of given matrix A. Thank you.